What's up, YouTube? What we're going to be looking at is a guitar repair on a neck for a Gibson Explorer. I believe that's what it is a Gibson Explorer. And I want to know whether this repair is in fact legal, is it ethical? I think they did a good job, but there's some issues with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what happened to the guitar itself. So as we can see here, the guitar was broken. I believe that's at the looks like the high E string, I would guess. And so it was broken, snapped. You can see the tuner right here where it was here. So let's go ahead and look at how they repaired this particular guitar. So some of these are out of order. This is just how I downloaded them. So let's start with this guitar right here. So apparently they cut the guitar neck to look like this right here. Then they look like they glued it, and there's another picture of them gluing it here. Right there. So they matched it up, then they drilled the holes. Right here you can see that it's a real Gibson. It looks like they etched out that, sanded it down so they could paint it. Then they went ahead and in fact painted it here. Don't know how they approached that, whether it was with a spray can or traditional painting, but looks like they did an okay job. But let's look at the final product here. So here's the end result, and now it looks like they got it off right here. This is a little bit off, as you can kind of see that this looks like a few millimeters or whatever difference here. So looks like they did an okay job of the rest of it, but this raises a lot of concerns. Is what they did it ethical? Is it legal? You know, because it's apparently not an authentic Gibson piece. It's a manufactured by Gibson authorized dealer, I would guess. So, and I believe they are a Gibson dealer because they do have a lot of Gibson guitars, and I believe they're real and they're authentic. So there's no question to that. The question is, ethically, is this legal? Should they include the broken tip here? You know, it raises a lot of concerns to me. You know, I just want to hear your guys' thoughts, whether what they did was right, was it ethical, was it legal, and just your take on it, as generally speaking. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and that's it. I'm signing off.